in the name of Almighty Allah, today we will discuss about General Sense and Ability MCQs CSS 2022 paper. So first one is, which one can be considered as the unit of distance? So light year is the unit of distance, and light year is the distance light travels in 1 year. And which one is not a planet? So moon is not a planet. And in which direction does the earth rotates on its axis? So it rotates from west to east. And which one can be considered in representing the geographic coordinate system? So latitude representing the geographic coordinate system. And which part of a body will be affected mainly by fluoride pollution? So by fluoride pollution, teeth are mostly affected. And how we can symbolically write the ozone gas? So ozone gas contain oxygen O3 and its unit is Dobson unit. And which of the following is not a electromagnetic wave? So sound wave is not a electromagnetic wave. And for what terminology is the abbreviation GPS being used globally? So GPS stands for Global Positioning System. And plotting of the vibration caused by an earthquake on a paper is called seismograph. And what is the scientific name? The atom of the same element with different mass number. So it is isotopes. Hydrogen have three isotopes. And combining of two non-metal atom by sharing one or more pairs of electron is called covalent bond. So in covalent bond, there is sharing of electrons between two non-metal atoms. And which method may not be considered as the preservation method? So sleeping is not a preservation method. And what does RNA stand for? So it stands for ribonucleic acid. And deficiency of iron in human diet causes anemia. Anemia is basically deficiency of iron and hemoglobin in the blood, or deficiency of red blood cell in human body. And which of the following is not part of quantities used to discuss the computer memory? So byte is not part of computer memory. Bit and byte are the parts of computer memory. And which of the following cannot be considered as the renewable source of energy? So petroleum once wasted, they cannot be regenerated. So it is not a renewable source of energy. And which of the following may be used to be most harmful radiation emitted by the sun? So ultraviolet light or UV light is the most harmful radiation emitted by the sun. And COVID-19 is caused by virus. And which of the following may be considered as the factor having influence on the intelligence? So hereditary having influence on human intelligence as well as on animal intelligence. And which one is not a part of cell phone memory? So LCD battery are the part of cell phone, while water is not a part of cell phone memory. So it's all for today. Thanks for watching Dawn Times. Thank you.